Elvis, put your phone down. Be present
Why
for
always
once.
talk about your
Put it
dad?
down,
You
bro.
shouldn't be the leader. What
You
about that?
just run head first, bro. Don't think about
Yeah, but
us.
you're eating corned beef at half
What do you care
time.
about us trips?
I'm sick of all of you.
I'm not stupid. Shut up. Sit down. When the great chief died, he gave everything to his son, La Poeti, who took everything for granted. He has no respect for the legacy of his father. He was selfish, he was mean, he was drinking, fighting in the village. He did not care about his life. He started seeing people from the village rise up from the dead. Zombies! Zombies!
Sully, ever mighty pissy. Think I'm mighty pissy.
Back in the game, homie, one
Sip
more
so
time.
it's back.
We gone for a minute, but I'm back.
Look at him diving into that big feast of his head first. Anyway, what are you doing over here? What is this?
Oh, stop scabbing my food.
You're so responsible. I'm not trying to scab your food. Just tell everyone on the vlog what you're trying to do.
Oh, this bad boy right here is the corned beef. This makes me fast on the field, makes me strong.
Here it is.
You're on the bench. He likes it. He likes it.
Say hi to the camera, boys. Good. Wait, Mom, I'll call you later. Yep. Okay, love you.
You guys suck. Man, I mean, you guys really suck.
Yeah.
You guys are hopeless. Really suck. You know, you played really, really badly the first half, missing all your tackles. The most important thing in rugby is what? It's the fees, boys. You gotta pay the fees. Oos, have you paid your fees?
He hasn't paid his fees.
He hasn't? Oh, come on, Oos. What about you, bro? Have you paid? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
She paid?
I don't know.
Okay. The second most important thing is the 3 Ds. First D is defense. Defense! Dago.
Dago!
Very good. And the third most important D is D for... Oos, what are you talking about? You're the one that don't have any nuts, bro. Show us your nuts, bro. Anyway, Johnny, can you come forward and say something, motivate the team, eh?
Oi, boys, who are we? We're Scorpions, bro. Oi, what's our motto? What's our motto? Can you even read it? It's right there on the wall. That says beast. Let's turn into beast out there, sweet. When we beat these guys, we're going to beat the guy who cut his hair. Hey, G, let's go hard out there. Let's take them on, eh? You ready? We focus? Who are we? Scorpions, baby, let's go.
Thank you, Johnny. Boys, we'll just wrap up here, hey? You're boys now, but I want you to walk onto the field and you become men, all right? Let's go hard. Let's go out there. Let's do it, eh?
Post this. Gee, the rest of the team didn't follow us.
Oi, where's everyone gone?
Oi, reckon I could have a munch on your brain.
Oh, no, let's go hug.
I'm pretty hungry, eh? I want that chopstick.
Sully, there's a zombies.
Hey, oh, where are you going?
Big bitch come.
Run a straight challenge.
Boys, shall I go? Shall I go?
Go on the track, go.
Go.
Oh, hey, good G, where's your leg? Oh, come on, boys.
Oh, I'm gonna go for the hot one.
Like this. I had to make the rules myself, make 'em move myself, so it sounds like this. I
I'm not usually the one that gets hit on.
This is why our team always loses.
I want the chunky one.
Run it straight, team! Go, Johnny!
Come on, chicken legs.
Elvis, let's go! Wait, do I have to come? Fine. Oh, gee, is your gout playing up? No, I'm joking. Oh my gosh, disgusting!
Oh, I got some blood on my face.
Gee, what the heck was that?
Bro, I don't know what the hell's going on.
Bro, that was awesome.
What? Gee, get serious. It was dangerous as out there. First, we need some weapons.
Yep.
Gee, Oos, grab a conch. It's by your feet.
What? How am I supposed to blow on this?
Yeah, like this. You go like this. Go like that. Stab them with it. Elvis, you grab the cricket bat.
Oh.
Terrell, gee, read the Bibles.
What for?
You recite palms as we're going.
Man, where's my weapon?
Aren't you Modi? Can't you like speak to the zombies and stuff?
Sad.
The zombies are getting closer. Oi, we're gonna all jump out on 3, yeah?
Yep. 3.
Okay.
3. Hey, oh, gee! What did close the door?
You said 3.
Technically, you did
Suck
say
it in.
3.
I'm counting.
Yeah, and you did 1, 2. You went 3, 2, 1.
Why are you taking this side?
Not now, Johnny.
Man, wait, we're counting down from 3, like 3, 2, 1,
you
and
got
then
it.
we get up. Sweet,
All right.
sweet. Get ready to rush them, okay? Oh, come on, like this. 3, 2, 1. How come no one got out?
To be honest, I've just lost confidence in this countdown, eh?
And I was waiting for you to come out.
Oh, man, I'm just so fed up with this countdown thing.
Guys, mind if I play a song?
Nah, I got us, G.
No thanks.
Try it. We don't want your songs. JP, what do you got?
I got a song.
Oh my gosh, it better not be poor, yeah.
Let's go.
You know those are quite well.
685 when you're ready, 685 when you're radio. 685 we'll be rolling. 685 we'll be trolling.
Done it. Oh, G, get in the car. Close, G. Everyone put your windows up. The zombies are coming.
Let's go to my nana's. Bro, she's a poor old lady and she's close by.
Yeah, we'll go then.
Bro, the zombies are getting closer.
Oh, G.
Times have been around that track and it ain't just gonna happen like that. Cause there ain't no holler back, girl. It ain't no holler back, girl. Okay. A few times been around that track and it ain't gonna happen like that. Cause it ain't no holler back, girl. Yeah. There ain't no holler back, girl. What? Remix. That's my
Oh, you better stay here, eh?
Oh, finding some space.
Oos,
What are you doing, Oos?
Boys, I'll be 2 minutes. I'm hungry as he.
where the hell's he going?
He can make
Any
cakes
pies
there,
out?
please. Hey, shut up. We only need essentials.
Mince pies?
No,
Can
we
we
need,
sausage roll, please?
we need like stuff in a can. That'll last for long.
Oh, canned pies.
Is that even a thing?
Yeah, we can eat boys.
Wait, what are you up to?
Yeah.
Nothing. Just looking for brains. I'm a zombie too.
Alright, gee, I saw this thing on Bear Grylls that if you get bitten by a zombie, someone has to piss on it.
Yo, me? I beg.
Right, should we just rock up the shop, make some weapons?
But yeah, guys, it's not safe for him. Should we go inside and follow him?
Oh yeah, who made you the leader? But it's not safe, we should go follow him in there. Hurry up. While we're here, we might as well grab some supplies.
Nah, I can't eat that. I'm on an 8-week challenge. Plus, I'm doing keto.
Gee, we might not even make it to tomorrow, and you want to do 8 weeks?
Bro, you won't make it. I will definitely make it.
Keto? What's keto?
Now I'm hungry.
I was thinking, can I get your Snapchat? I normally text the girl first, but then I just ghost them, you know?
The zombie and the ghost. Perfect match.
Well, I was just thinking maybe dinner first. Yeah, we'll go to my mum's house for dinner.
Oh, you live with your mum.
Yeah. Well, you know, times are hard right now.
Pretty meaty boy.
Well, like, you know, the government's changed and like...
Boys, I got it. I'm in ketosis.
What? Gee, what are you doing? Just grab some bread, some toilet paper, and like something to kill the zombies with.
Toilet paper?
Bro, we're not in a pandemic. It's an apocalypse.
Same thing, potato.
Roar. What's up, bro? I'm a zombie too. Brains. No, that's ninja brains.
Yeah, brother, coke gets down that aisle. Your breath.
Hey, go!
I can't believe you guys stopped me. I could have taken them on my own. Plus, I know Kung Fu.
Yeah, Kung Fu. Well, we could literally hear you screaming.
I watched Kung Fu Panda, so I know what I'm talking about.
Gee, where's JP?
Oh, good evening.
Oh, nah, I'm turning around.
Wait. I'm in the voicemail. Oh, it's JP. Huh? He's with a chick? He wants to meet us at Nana's right now.
Hey, what's this?
Boys, nah, I'm sick of this. You guys muck around too much. You. Especially you, bro.
You stop pointing at us. Don't point at us. Point at yourself.
Fuck, why are you always trying to be the captain, man?
Gee, you're not your dad. But I know your dad was the captain of Samoan, but those are some big shoes to fill, bro.
Exactly, we're useless.
I'm not trying to be him. I don't care about him.
Dad?
What are you doing here? Dad. Hey.
Here's the guy that's telling us not to muck around. Look who's talking now, so shut up!
Tuli, gee, that's sore. While Elvis was filming his stink vlogs, bro, I had to save him, and the zombie just scratched me.
And you shut up too!
I just said that's all. Bro, I'm gonna drop you when we get out. Gee, the zombie's already here. Bro, we gotta do something else. Boys, we have to do something. Hey,
Oos, get back in, there's too many of them!
Get back in here, you idiot!
Oos, get back! Why are you running in slow motion?
Kiss your brain, bro.
Man. Why are you breathing hard? You're not even running.
You shut up!
Oos, get back!
Oh, hey. Are you guys Terrell's Nana?
Oh yeah, bro. That's me.
Oh, what? Oh, what? Ah!
Oh, there's so many.
What do we do now? Gee, do you still have your speaker?
Yeah, why?
Wait, I gotta
Stay here.
I gotta. Yes! Yeah, baby. It's your mom's speaker anyway.
No, it's mine.
Get over here.
Huh? Who are you texting?
This is not. What are you doing? Are you playing music? They hear it. Yeah, this is not the time to be playing music right now. Nah, bro, it's Lisi.
What are they doing?
Oh, look, they're feeling it.
Nah, stop, I'm scared. What's going on?
Oh, gee, the guy with the Timberlands. Gee. Oh, stop. Gee. Oh, gee, I'm battling him.
Cheetah Brothers.
Hey, stop, sure.
Nah, don't ever do that again, alright?
Gee, look,
You're gonna get killed.
I'm having a barbecue. Wait, Anna, can you tell Nan I'll be a bit late?
Oh, why does that leg have gout?
How do you even see that?
Huh? Bro, there's a chili bin. Why I got a chili bin?
Let's go. I'm behind you. Yeah, go. Are you sure you don't want to dance?
This party's good. Stand me up. Let's go.
What's that? What is it? Get behind me. Up
music and free with premium. Tap the banner to learn more.
Are you serious? You didn't have Spotify Premium?
Bro, do you know how expensive that is? All the streaming platforms. I got Netflix. You're on my Netflix. Man, shush, man. Are you a psychic?
You don't have to yell, okay?
Did you know it was gonna be the end of the earth? Show me your calendar.
Come and look.
They're not even. Yeah, they are coming.
I was coming this way. You go board up the doors.
Bro, you go first.
No, you go first.
Let's go together.
Mess with my voice, you're gonna get it.
What the heck?
Sao ka photo? Sao ka photo to kikinganga oi. Sao.
Hurry up! That was awesome!
Sao. Maybe next time you'll listen, eh? Yuck. Come on. Oh. Get out. And you too. Come on, get out.
Man, that was amazing. Whoa.
Shut up and sit down.
Oh.
Okay. Where have you been? Do you think that was funny? You come in laughing? It's a joke. Hey? You may think you don't look like them, but you're surely acting like zombies. Hiding in the wall, hiding in the bushes. Thinking only of yourself. That's selfish. Hey, going through the motion. Mindless, irresponsible. Oh, honestly, come to think of it, this must be the tangata turu.
What's the tangata tulu?
You know, ancient Samoan mythology. They speak of as in Apocalypse. It's a balance between knowing what's wrong and what's right.
Nana, is it a zombie bite?
Zombie? Are you for real? Don't you know the difference between the zombie and the eczema? That's my eczema. You can't. Hey, not if you're in love. Hey.
Harry.
Honestly.
So what do we do now?
But I think you better go and see a man that understands these things. Mythology, theology, Godology.
Godology.
Well, don't just sit there. Get up. Go to Mangere East to the church and see Pastor Mufasa, all right?
Is that from the Lion King?
Mufasa.
Understand? You savvy?
Nang, can we stay here?
What did you say?
Can we just stay here?
In this house?
Yeah, just stay here.
Can we do that?
Hey, yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. What a good idea! Kasi lang mesao, hey! We'll get some food, mattresses on the floor, and yoo-hoo, we're gonna have a little slumber party. And one for you, and one for you. Oh, I haven't seen you before, but you still get out.
Girl, hit the boys!
Hit the boys! Get going, gotta get out of here, gotta get to church.
Come on, let's go. Johnny. Johnny. It's a zombie. That's all your fault, because you went into the supermarket.
It was him. He was video recording. You should have helped.
Don't point the finger at me. You want to stop and get snacks?
Nah, I'm not doing this. I'm his day one. That's my boy. I'm not gonna, that's between you two.
Why
It's both
are
of
you
your
always have to
faults.
be the leader, eh? You're trying to run everything.
Nah, it's both of you.
No, you should do it.
Gee, it's all good. I'll just come with you.
Boys, get more out of you two. Quick.
Gang, get paper.
Paper?
Oh my gosh.
Yep. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm not killing him.
Oops. Bro, you have to be responsible ones. Do it.
Why do I have to do
it? Go. He's all yours. Your fault.
See? Nah, shit, you ain't gonna do it. Don't worry about these guys. See, remember? Bro, at school, that was us. Gave you some of my lunch. I can't do it. I can't do it. You have to do it.
No, bro, that's all you. Go, hurry up.
Don't give it to me. You do it.
Gee, remember Otara Parkles? I used to push you on a swing. I remember. Well, we used to run to the park. We would do laps all the time. Oh, shit. Don't worry about these boys. That's us, Otara Bakery, G. I can't do it. Gee, look at me, G. Gee, what are you doing? Come on, man. Gee, don't worry about the boys. Gee, Oos. I'm so sorry, Uso. Gee, stuff these guys, bro. They're gonna leave you. I'll have your back. I'm fine. I'm so sorry, bro. Oos. Gee, bro, stuff these guys. Oos. Gee, what are you doing? Bro, this is us. Bro, what are you doing? Sorry, Uso. Gee, Oos.
What's up, bros? I just meet the zombie girl, man. I'm so in love with it. I'm the scucksest of them all, bro. I've never been so happy in my life. Why he's not happy for me? Why he's looking down? Where's Johnny? Boys.
Man, this is creepy as.
You guys not even dressed for church?
Bro, you're wearing the same thing as us.
It's been ages since I've been to church, eh?
Yo, I remember those days, eh? Oh, it's Pastor Mufasa, eh? Mufasa. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Pastor!
Hey, Jerry. You here for the piano? Huh? Look, I know we agreed on 300, but I've been getting a lot of messages on this Facebook market thingy. And I'm thinking, we stretch out a bit, maybe 450?
Oh, Pastor, there's a bit of a situation going on.
I know we got a situation, but a deal is a deal.
Nah, Pastor, I don't think you understand. The world's ending.
Hey, Jerry and there's Mike. Look here, Mike. It's just a conversation. I'm just looking for a little bit of, a little bit wiggle room. Look, I'll read you my private message. Dear Pastor, 450.
Did you get the piano?
We can pick up the piano.
This guy's crazy.
Pick it up tomorrow. Hey! Hey, Pastor, please don't be alarmed. Stay indoor and lock your doors. There are zombies running rampant in our town. Why do you tell me zombies outside? You know what I mean? Wasting my time on the piano that doesn't even work.
That's what we've been trying to tell you.
What kind of zombies we're talking about? Walking Dead, The Last of Us, or... How? You know it, huh? Michael Jackson one. Huh? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Which one?
The New Zealand ones.
That one? I can feel the Tangata Tulu's presence right here.
Pastor, can you pray for us? Please?
I can't pray for you. It's too late. We are stuck in our past lives. Stuck like a raisin in Auntie Mary's potato salad. No one wants you there, but we are stuck. All sugared up, adding no flavor to otherwise a delicious meal.
Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry.
And what's sad about this is you have to give her half of everything that you have earned, and you can't do nothing about it because you got bad knees.
Sorry, Pastor. Are you going through it? Or is there something you want to tell us?
Don't be sorry. Be brave. There is a reason why we're here. And the reason is this.
Oh my gosh.
I will fight all the zombies, including my ex-wife, one potato salad at a time. If you want to know about the Tangata Tulu, follow me. Shut up. Sit down. Moe pepe, tumu lela au. When the great chief died, he gave everything to his son, La Poeti, who took everything for granted. He had no respect for the legacy of his father. He was selfish. He was mean. He was drinking, fighting in the village. He did not care about his life. He started seeing people from the village rise up from the dead. Zombies! Zombies. Tangata Tulu. Tangata Tulu. La Poeti was believed that he was going mad. The village elders got together and they took him through the ceremony to save him. And now I'm gonna take you through it. The ceremony. Moi pepe.
Albert, put your phone down. Be present for once.
Why you always talk about your dad and you're always trying to be the leader? What about that?
Bro, just shut up, man. You're responsible. All you do is run head first, bro. Don't
Rise, Tangata Tulu!
Stupid. Not like
Rise!
you.
Tangata Tulu!
He's on your phone for it. Put it down, bro.
Bro, now you want to be involved.
Rise, Tangata Tulu!
How about a real chick, not zombies?
Always trying to be the leader, always looking for checks. I'm sick of all of yous.
Bro, I'm tired of all of you guys. All of you shut up.
Rise, Tangata Tulu! Rise, zombies! Rise!
Ois. I can't move. Oos. Oos.
Why do you look like a zombie?
What's going on? Something feels off. Oh, body stoned is, eh?
Ois. Can you see what I'm seeing?
Moi pepe tu mulela.
they singing? Are they coming for us? I don't want to die.
Moi moi pepe tu le la angi le matangi loi atu matoi sao.
Moi moi pepe tumu tumu la au angi le matangi lue atu matoi sao anga le la la paule moenga mali e oi pepe lau fa aluenga.
Sale, Eva mai pese, fica mai pese.
Back in the game, homie, one
Sip
more
so
time.
it's back.
We gone for a minute, but I'm back.
Fica mais de pese, que vai além do seu ego. Só fele, ele é um vai pese. Ele é calma, se é via ai esse pancake. Fica mais de pese, que vai além do seu ego. Só fele, ele é um vai pese. Ele é calma, se é via ai esse pancake.
Eu vou salvar mai wakangi. Le aseme le awa fai ika kau le langi. Mahaya le musika sip so suai le pese. Musika Samoa e ke faa pele pele. Fae fai pika faa eva musele. Shai kai iwa yai sip so with the flow. Lewa fai sau yai. Sila coming a man. Peter with the paper. Roll it up. Come smoke and dance. Patule musika sole. Fae fau fika se fa mole mole. Mahaya le mewa fai. Lewa fai fai. Kula i mai se masta kukumai ma au mai.
Fica mais de pese, que vai além do seu ego. Só fele, ele é um vai pese. Ele é calma, se é via ai esse pancake. Fica mais de pese, que vai além do seu ego. Só fele, ele é um vai pese. Ele é calma, se é via ai esse pancake.
Shit so pass me the mic. And Shy Guy turn it up one time. My rhyme is from the mind. I wanna get high like a cloud with good trees from bed by. My eyes are red bright and shorty she so fly. I was just chilling, chilling like a villain without the killing. Sip so can you feel it? Low get still spinning. We ain't tripping. Cause dipping like show enough. Puff some good stuff. I hope you're ready for us. Ain't no records coming tough. Y'all ain't had enough. Still some more style.